Hey everyone, if you want to enable Kill Switch in Proton VPN in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to turn on this important security feature. First, the Kill Switch protects your privacy by blocking all internet traffic if your VPN disconnects unexpectedly. Start by opening the Proton VPN application on your device. Now log in using your Proton VPN credentials. Click the settings or menu icon inside the app. Scroll down to the security section and look for the Kill Switch option. Now turn on the Kill Switch toggle. Yeah, this activates automatic internet blocking when the VPN disconnects. Some versions allow you to choose between different Kill Switch modes, like system-wide or app-based protection. Now connect to a VPN server and disconnect it to test if the Kill Switch is working properly. Once tested, reconnect your VPN to restore internet access. For maximum privacy, always keep Kill Switch enabled, especially when using public Wi-Fi. A common mistake is turning off Kill Switch while using unsecured networks, which can expose your real IP address, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to enable Kill Switch in Proton VPN in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.